Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the Coral offer. It's bet £5, £20 free bet. If you haven't already, follow this link and open a Coral account. Deposit £10. We will only use £5 of that, but the minimum deposit on Coral is £10. So then we go ahead, make our qualifying bet. Go to Odds Matcher and find a match at odds at 1.5 and above. So click on Odds Matcher, and then this page will come up. We select here Coral in order to filter, so we just get the Coral bets. Right, okay. We're looking for a match between Coral and Betfair that are above 1.5, as close to as possible. There's one right there. There's Peterhead versus Stenhouse-Muir, and the game would be for Peterhead to win. That would be the bet. Back odds are 1.67 on Coral and 1.65 on Betfair. So that's 3.1 done. 3.2. Go to calculator and calculate the lay bet and liability. So you click on calculator. You'll be selecting normal bet for this qualifier. Your back stake will be £5. Back odds 1.67 and the lay odds were 1.65. The lay commission is 5% on Betfair. If you're using Smarkets, it would be 2%. But if you're beginner, I'd say stick with Betfair to begin with, because there's more money in the markets there. Then calculate and refresh. Right, so that's coming up with our lay stake at £5.22, and that would mean we need £3.39 in our account to do that. That's in the Betfair account, because the stake on Coral will be £5. So then we'll go on to Coral and we'll find a bet to make sure the odds are still the same. So in the search bar on to your left, type in Peterhead. You'll be able to come up and you choose the match result. Peterhead to win is still 1.67, so we can select that. It's been added to the bet slip, but we won't place any bets yet until we've confirmed the odds on Betfair. But we can put a stake in of £5. Then go over to Betfair. Same again, make sure there's a search bar at the top where you can search for Peterhead. Make sure it's on exchange for placing lay bets. Now you can see here the match odds, Peterhead to a lay bet is 1.65. All the lay bets are in pink, so make sure you don't back them as well with blue, 1.65. So we can click that, the odds are still the same, and we can enter the stake in there, which was £5.22. And then we can place bets on both of them. So you click on Coral, place the bet, go back to Betfair and place the bet there. Once that offer's done, you'll wait for the outcome of that game to take place, and then you'll repeat that process again, using the free bet as the backing stake, which is £20 for Coral, and you will click on free bet stake not returned and click £20, and then you will enter the odds that you find on the odds matcher. When you look for the odds matcher, what we've suggested here is you go for odds of above 4 to optimise your profit, but if you don't have the cash flow to do it, with being a beginner, just use odds of above 2. You will still make profit, you won't make as much, but if you use odds of 4, you should make profits about £16 from this offer. From 2, you make about £10, £11. A thing to note is the free bets on Coral will be given to you in £4 times £5 free bets, and the only thing that affects you with that is where you have a bet slip here, you'd have a little pull down menu that you would click and choose one of your £5 free bets. You would repeat that process 4 times in order to place your £20 stake, and once all that's done, you will make a profit of between £10 and £16. And as you can see, all that would be done well, and the qualifier bet was done under 4 minutes, so it doesn't take a big part of your day.